Hello students. In the previous video we have learnt about symbols of elements and I am glad to see you all have appeared for the test also and done very well. That means you all know the symbols quite well. In this video we will learn how to write chemical formula and chemical equation. Let us first learn what is chemical formula. Chemical formula is a representation of a molecule of a compound using chemical symbols of its constituent elements. That means when we write chemical formula, we are actually writing the symbols of the elements of which this compound is made of. And some numbers are also being used stating how many atoms of that particular element are there in it. So, let us see what are the things we should know while writing a chemical formula. First of all, we should know which elements combine to make this compound. Means this compound is made up of which elements. Suppose if it is water, then water is made of hydrogen and oxygen. This we should know. Secondly, we should know the symbols of these elements. That means if it is water, then hydrogen and oxygen. And hydrogen symbol is H, oxygen symbol is O. This we should know. And third thing is valency. Valency of these elements. But now children, you will say, ma'am, you didn't teach us valency. What is this valency? We have not learnt only. Valency means combining capacity of an element. Means one atom of this element should combine with how many other atoms? Like for example, valency of oxygen is 2. That means oxygen, one atom can combine with 2 other atoms. Similarly, hydrogen valency is 1. So it can combine with only one other atom. Carbon valency is 4. So it can combine with maximum 4 atoms. One atom of carbon can combine with maximum 4 atoms of other elements. Then nitrogen valency is 3. How this valency is calculated and how it is found, or how it is found out that valency of hydrogen is 1, oxygen is 2, that you will learn in class 9. Now this is carbon dioxide molecule. Here this is carbon. Okay. And this is oxygen. This is also oxygen. Fine. Now here you can see 2 bonds are there. This side also and this side also. So carbon can form how many? 1, 2, 3 and 4 bonds. That means valency of carbon is 4. Oxygen valency is 2. So here you can see 2. Right? Here also. So children, this is a simple explanation of valency. For class 7th, this much knowledge is okay. Remaining you will learn in class 9. Now let us see how to write chemical formula. First write the symbols of the elements in that compound. Then write the valency in front of that symbol. Okay. Next, crisscross and write the number in subscript. I hope you know what is subscript, right? It is the number is written smaller than the other fonts. Okay, you must have learnt in computers. So let's take an example. Water is formed with the help of hydrogen and oxygen. So symbol for hydrogen is H and symbol for oxygen is O. Right? Then what you have to do? Write the valency. Valency of hydrogen is 1. Valency of oxygen is 2. Third step, what we have to do? We have to crisscross. Draw an arrow like this. Okay. Now, hydrogen arrow is pointing towards 2 and oxygen arrow is pointing towards 1. So, we'll get the formula as H2O. This H2O. Here you can see 2 is written smaller than H and O. It is in subscript. So, formula of water is what? H2O. Similarly, let's take one more example. Carbon dioxide is formed of carbon and oxygen. Symbol for carbon is C. Symbol for oxygen is O. Valency for oxygen is 2. Here 2 is written and valency for carbon is 4. What you have to do now? Crisscross this way. Okay. Now, if we write the formula, what we will get? C2O4. But we are not writing C2O4. We are writing in the simplest ratio, dividing by 2. Okay, so we are getting CO2, carbon dioxide. Our next topic is chemical reaction. Chemical reaction is a process in which one or more substances undergo a change to form one or more different new substances. Actually, chemical reactions are chemical changes where new substances are formed with different properties. And chemical reactions can be represented with the help of chemical equations using symbols and formula. A chemical equation is actually a representation of chemical reaction using symbols and formula for reactants and products. Now here children, reactant means substances that take part in the reaction, and product are substances that are formed at the end of the reaction. Okay. So reactants, they combine to form the product. Here you can see reactant plus reactant gives product. Actually here we should make arrow. On the left hand side of the equation we are writing reactants and on the right hand side we are writing the product. Product may be one or more than one. Here there are some examples. See, carbon plus oxygen. So here carbon and oxygen are what? Reactants. So we have written them on the left hand side. And carbon dioxide is the product, written on the right hand side, and then there is an arrow in between, right? If you want to write it in the form of symbols, it is C plus O2 gives CO2. Similarly, another example is magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. So magnesium and oxygen are reactants and magnesium oxide is the product. Here it should be 2 because number of atoms on the left hand side and on the right hand side should be equal. So 2 magnesium this side on the reactant side, 2 magnesium on the product side. Similarly, 2 oxygen, 2 oxygen on both the sides, right? So these are reactants, this is product. This is how we write chemical equation. So children, that's all for today. Revise these things very well and Contact me if you face any difficulty. Thank you.